Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at Ola. As you can see, this is the jet black Ola S1 Pro. So this is the top end version. Turn on the lights. To talk about the build and finish, most of the components are having very high quality, and there are no panel gaps as such. They are neatly finished. So here is the locking mechanism, charging port. It doesn't have a locking mechanism. Anyone can open this boot, but once the charger is plugged in, you won't be able to remove the charger. Talking about the seat, it's very huge. There are two grab handles. These are casted parts. Rest of the body is made of fiber, very high quality fiber. At the rear you have 12-inch tires with alloy wheels, and as you can see there's a disc brake both at front and back, and this has a combi braking system. There is a panel at the bottom to cover up the motor. It's belt driven, and as you can see here, this is the horizontal mounted monoshock suspension. This is the tail light. There are two indicators at the front, and this is the monoshock front suspension. There is a disc brake at the front as well. This is the casted part which holds the shocks and the wheel shaft. Talking about the floorboard, it's very huge. But there is a bump at the center. This might be a problem for some users. These are the speakers. We have two speakers which will be actuated with the Bluetooth connection with the phone, and you can keep a half-liter water bottle here. There is a hook at the center, and there is a USB port. Here you can keep the phone and charge simultaneously. So it has 10 buttons, 5 at the left and 5 at the right. This is the button which is used to start the vehicle, and there are few more buttons. This is for turning on the lights. This is for playing and media control, these three buttons. These are for flashlight, cruise control and reverse switch, indicator switch, and horn. Horn is very loud. This is the TFT screen. As you can see, it's in the navigation mode. eSIM is only used for navigation. Rest of the playing music functions has to be controlled with the phone. This is the home screen. As you can see, it can go up to 123 kilometers with charge of 80%. So what they say is it can go up to 155 kilometers in the normal mode. Sports mode it can go beyond 120 kilometers, and hyper mode it can go up to 100 kilometers when it is fully charged. Screen is really good, and the touch sensitivity is also too good, so smooth. And this demo scooter doesn't have a selection of modes. You can change the themes, sound of the speakers, and some other basic functions. As you can see, the light beam pattern will be somewhat like this. This is for selecting the modes. You can change the modes with the help of this button. These are for calling function, and this is for media function. To unlock the boot, you just have to press this button. There's a huge 36-liter space boot. Here you have some first aid kit and some tools. So it is really wide and it's so soft.
Oh, Papa.
This is how it will look.
Which one?
English is complete. The most popular design in European countries, sir. Made in Amsterdam. Sir. So this aerodynamic minimalist approach. You can't see any indicator from like this.
I mean, this bike really feels big, bigger than the Activa. Look at the floorboard. It's too good.